Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. EP. So we are going to be, let's revise arithmetic progression, right? The first thing that, so let me just take the formulas on the bottom. From there we can look questions that will solve. As far as arithmetic progression is concerned, the first thing you need to remember is the nth term, which is a plus bracket n minus 1d, or you can see like this in the book, L equals to a plus bracket n minus 1d. And that thing stands for the last term. The last term. Then you will now have also, the next formula you need to know is the sum of the first n term is given as n over 2 into a plus L. You can use this one, but we hardly use this one in O level. We only use it when the first and the last term has been given to you. Then this other one now, Sn equals to n over 2 into 2a plus bracket n minus 1d. So these are the two main formulas we have as far as yes, arithmetic progression is concerned. The two main formulas. So, and let me give you questions based on those two formulas first. Examples. Okay. Yes. The first term of an AP is 28. And the common difference and the common difference is 6, comma. Find the fifth term. That's the question. The first term of an AP is 28 and the common difference is 6. Find the what? Sixth term. So, beloved audience, if you find the fifth term, beloved audience, if you want to solve this question, the first term is 28 and A stands for the first term. So A is equals to 28 and the common difference is 6. That means D is equals to 6. They say you should find the fifth term. Its number of terms is 5, right? And there's something to know in AP. The coefficient of what? D is always 1 less than the number of terms. So finding the fifth term, we know now, you'll be what? T5 will be equals to what? A plus 4D, because we know now. Because that fifth term means you put 5 here. 5 minus 1 is 4. So the coefficient of D is always 1 less than the number of terms. So here in the place of A, we'll write 28 plus 4D. D is what? 6. So this will be 28 plus 4 times 6 is 24. So take 28 plus 24. That is going to give us 52. So this is the fifth term. Then what does that mean? The first term is 28, but the common difference is 6. Add 6 to 28, you get 34. Add 6 to here, you have 40. Add 6, 46. Add 6, 52. That means if this thing continues, this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term is 52, which is this. What they're trying to say. Yes, push. Okay. Shift. Sure. Okay. Huh? Okay. Okay, that is that for that one. Then let's take a question that has to do with this before I'll talk about common ratio, common difference. Now this one, the first term and the common difference. The first term and common difference of an AP are 20 and 5 respectively. 20 and 5 respectively. Then you are being asked, find the sum. Find the sum of the first 8 terms. That's it. The first term and common difference of an AP are 20 and 5 respectively. Find the sum of the first 8 terms. So here, how do we solve this question? Now we bring out the first term is denoted as A, is 20, and the common difference is 5. So we should find the sum of the first 8 terms. That means number of terms is 8. So the next to do is I will write the formula. The sum of the first n term of an arithmetic progression, which is Sn equals to n over 2 into 2a plus bracket n minus 1d. So what we do is that in the place of a, we'll substitute 20, in the place of d, 5, in the place of n, 8, right? So that will give us n is 8 equals to 8 over 2 into 2a. A is 20, n is 8 minus 1, then our d is 5. So this is going to give us 8 divided by 2 is 4 into 2 times 20 is 40. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 times 5 is 35. So this will give us 4 into 40 plus 35 will be 75. And 4 times 75 is 300.
That's when they say sum of anything, that's when you can put that, use that for.
Sum of, yes, yes. When you are being asked, find the sum of the first n term. That's when you can, that sum here means addition. It's different from find the 8th term. And even you're being asked, find the 8th term, that's D8. That will be A plus 7D, because the coefficient of D is always 1 less than the number of terms. This one will be A. A is what? A is 20 plus 7D. The common difference is 5. So this will be 20 plus 7 times 5, 35. So this is going to give us 55. So please be careful. If they say find the 8th term, the answer is this. If they say find the sum of the first 8 terms, that's when you use the sum formula.
I'm done.
Okay. They know when you are preparing for examination, anything can happen. They can say anything. So, had it been this question was in this way, given that the first and last terms, the first and last terms of an AP are 3 and 37 respectively, comma, and you are being asked to find the sum of the first 6 terms. Find the sum of the first 6 terms. So the first term is 3, and the last term is 37. Find the sum of the first 6 terms. Are you there? So if you notice this question now, they never said anything concerning the common difference. So that means we are going to use this formula. Though they hardly ask, so they hardly ask. But if at all it's a situation whereby you're being given just the first term and the last term, then that means this is the formula you're going to use. So here, Sn will be equals to n over 2 into what? A plus L. So n is what? 6. So this will be 6 over 2 into A. Our A is 3. Our L is 37. So this will be 6 divided by 2 is 3 into 3 plus 37 is 40. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 4 is 12. So that will be the sum of the first this. And then take note, when you tell somebody sum of the first n term equals to n over 2 into A plus L. Mind you, the L we are talking about means A plus bracket n minus 1d. That's the L. So which means here, sum of the first n term, this is n over 2 into A plus L. This L, this is the L, which is what? A plus bracket n minus 1d. So sum of the first n term will be n over 2 into 1a plus 1a is 2a plus n minus 1d. So it is still the same thing. All we are just saying is that if at all the common difference was not given, that's when you apply that formula. Okay. Then, are we going to touch GP also?
Yes.
Okay. Then Then there's what we call AP. There's what we call. Let me put it this way first. There's what we call arithmetic mean. There's what we call arithmetic mean, and there's a way they ask that question. They may just come in the exam and say, "What if if x minus 2, 5, x plus 2 are in what? Arithmetic progression. Find x." Yes. If bracket x minus 2, 5, x plus 2 are in AP, find x. What is the condition for something to be in AP? For example, if I have something like maybe 7, 10, 13, to show that it's in the arithmetic progression, 10 minus 7 must give me the same answer as what? 13 minus 10, right? Yeah, so if this thing is in AP, so solution, I have bracket x, that bracket x minus 2 is to show that x minus 2 is a single term on its own. Then this is 5. This is x plus 2. To show that it is in AP, the second term minus the first term must give me the same answer as this minus. So it will be this minus this equals to what? This minus this. That's second minus first equals to third minus second. And that's all, we'll get the answer. This will be what? 5 minus bracket x minus 2. Why the bracket? To show that x minus 2 is a single term. So this minus this will be the same as this minus this, which is bracket x plus 2 minus 5. So the next is I open out the bracket. And how do I open the bracket? So this will give me minus times x is minus x. Minus times minus is plus. Is that clear? So this will now give me, here, why would I open it like this? Because there is no negative sign in front. It is just on its own. Yeah, but here I cannot do that. Because here will be minus times x minus x. Minus times minus is plus. Then here will be minus 5. This will give me 5 plus 2 is what? 7 minus x, right? 2 minus 5 is negative 3. Right there. Then I'll bring down this 7. This is negative 3 on the right hand side. Take it to the left hand side. Plus 3. Yes. What is here is x. This is minus x. Take it this side. It will be plus x. So 7 plus 3 is what? 10. X plus x will be 2x. Which is the same as saying what? 2x equals to 10. Because unknown is supposed to be on the left hand side. So what is disturbing x here is 2. So I will divide it by 2. Divided by 2. So my x is equals to what? 5. I want to prove to show that x is 5. You go back here, wherever you see x, you substitute 5. Here will be 5 minus 2, which is 3. Here is 5. Then here is 5 plus 2, 7. To show that actually it's an arithmetic progression. Which is so 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 5 is what? 2. So that's the value. So you can copy that.
It's too cold.
Mm-hmm.
I put it in my hand.
Mm-hmm.
It vibrates.
TikTok, YouTube, if I'm feeling, you don't see, it's at the end. Mm-hmm. No one, yeah, I mean, no, the end, you see the whole.
Now, what are you giving a question to find the common difference?
To find common difference. Yes, I can give a question to find a common difference. Yes, okay. That means we should generate one question. The fourth term of an AP, the fourth term of an AP is 17. And the first term, is 5. Full stop. Find the common difference. We have a question like this. The fourth term of an AP is 17, and the first term is 5. Find the common difference. If I thought you don't want to stress yourself, you know already now. That fourth term means what? A plus what? 3D, right? And they say it's equals to what? 17. And the question is saying that what? That the first term is what? 5. That means in the place of A, I'll substitute 5. So this will give me what? 5 plus 3D equals to 17. This will be 3D equals to 17 minus 5, right? So 3D is equals to 12. So divide both sides by 3. So the common difference is 4.
That time you were given a question that they gave only one term that you should find. Is it possible?
We give you?
They gave you, like they only give you the first term that you should find the fourth term and also the common difference.
No, how would they give you just one term? Now listen, how many unknown do I have here? 2 unknowns, right? They cannot even give me a question that has just the 2 unknown. There were 2 unknown. Are you not saying that it's not one unknown? Because A now, they gave me A to be 5. Number of unknowns must be equal to number of equations. Somehow I have 2 equations here. I have A equals to 5, and I have A plus 3D equals to what? 17. You see now, there are 2 unknowns, and I have how many equations? 2 equations. So in the place of A, I'll substitute there 5. Now, number of unknowns equals to number of equations takes us to what we call AP leading to simultaneous equation. So let's solve one. AP leading to simultaneous equation. That will be our subheading. AP leading to simultaneous equation. AP leading to simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equations. So write down the fourth term or the fourth and the sixth terms, the fourth and sixth terms of an AP. The fourth and sixth terms of an AP are 18 and 28 respectively. Full stop. Find the I common difference I first term, then I may even tell you maybe something like 10th and 12th terms is different from what? Sum of the 10th and 12th term. So copy that one, let's see. Are you ready? Okay, so let's look at it together. They say so the fourth term of an AP is 18. So solution. So which means the fourth term is what? A plus 3D is equals to 18. That's equation 1. And they said the sixth term is 28. That will be what? A plus 5D equals to 28. That's equation 2. So simultaneous equations are two or more equations that are solved at the same time. And the best method you can use in solving simultaneous equations is method of elimination. So here the coefficient of A is 1, here is 1, so I can subtract A minus A will be 0. 5D minus 3D will give me 2D. 28 minus 18 will be 10. So I'll divide both sides by 2. So this will be 2D divided by 2 equals to 10 divided by 2. So my common difference is what? 5. I'm done with the part of the question. I'll go to II. So I should look for the what? The first term. Looking for the first term means I'll take either equation 1 or equation 2. And at best, take the equation that have smaller values. So from equation 1, I'll have A plus 3D to be equals to 18. So in the place of D, I'll substitute 5. So this will be A plus 3 times 5 equals to 18. That will be A plus 3 times 5 is 15 equals to 18. So A will be what? 18 minus 15. And the first term is going to be what? 3. Right? Then now, go to the II part of the question. This I should find the 10th and what? 12th term. No, ready to get the 10th term means what? A plus 9D, right? Yeah, and my A is what? My A is 3. 3. What's my common difference? 5. So that will be 3 plus 9 times 5 is 45. So the 10th term is going to be 48. This I should also look for the 12th term. It's not a mistake. 10th term is A plus 9D. A is 3 now. D is 5.
I know it's 5 minus 1.
Which one?
5 minus 1, that is the 4.
No, which 5 minus 1? Where?
No, in the equation.
T10 is A plus 9D. A is 3. D is 5. Is it? I just substitute. There's nothing else you do. What you are talking about, this is what you are saying. Right? It doesn't mean are you taking us behind again? That's A plus 9 minus 10 minus 1 now.
Okay.
That's what I mean. I've already, you understand? So then T12, cheesy. A plus 11D, right? So our A is what? 3. Our D is 5. So this will be 11 times 5 is 55. So T12 is going to be what? T12 is going to be 55 plus 3 will be 58. So I think I've done those ones separately. So I should get the what? 10th term and the 12th term. So this is the 10th term, right? This one is the 12th term. Then look at the IV. IV says you find what? Find the sum of the 10th and 12th term. Sum just means addition, not for you to go and use the sum formula. So that means just simply means T10 plus what? T12. T10 is what? 48 plus 58, right? Yes, that's it. That will be 106. Yes.
Besides, when they say find the first.
When you say find the
first 10 terms.
Okay, find the sum of the first 10 terms.
Okay.